What's going on, everybody? So this has been our progress so far here with the tube sign. We got both of our circle inlays inside of here. So now we need to add that purple stripe, and that's what our letters are going to be sitting on top of. Obviously, it's a very iconic sign. It's going to be pretty sweet. So we're going to start off with grabbing this purple heart because I don't want to waste any time. Go on the bandsaw, get it resawed, get it cut down to perfect size, and then start the inlay process. So let's get right into it. So starting things off here, we're using the ever famous green pencil that has been in every video, tracing out our piece of purple heart there. And now we're gonna take this thing and we're gonna set it off to the side because we gotta clear away all this material right here. But we're gonna head over to the TrackSaw right now and show you guys how we're actually gonna set that thing up. So let me get this stuff out of the way right here. Let's do it.
So setting up the TrackSaw, what we're gonna do is actually set a depth for the blade so that it doesn't go all the way through the board that we're cutting. As you can see, it stops right about there. And well, it's only gonna go down about a 1/16 inside of the board because that's all we need for that inlay. So we'll start cutting.
So we finished up our piece here, we got it all sanded and perfect. So when we did this inlay here, what we did is we made a custom router base here. We actually did this in the last video, so I'm gonna leave a link right there so you guys can click that and check it out. So that way you can set up your router perfectly for making inlays, because it turned out great. What we have to do now is start working on those Paddington letters, so we're gonna get right into it. So we got all of our letters all cut out right here, and they turned out fantastic, but we did not attach them just yet because we still have to apply finish oil to this whole piece, along with create a really fancy border for this thing. But we're not going to be doing that in this video. That's going to be in the next video, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for that. And drop a like down on this video if you enjoyed it. But just like that, this video is over.